Fluoride and the pineal gland. Up until the 1990s, no research had ever been conducted to determine the impact of fluoride on the pineal gland, a small gland located between the two hemispheres of the brain that regulates the production of the hormone melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that helps regulate the onset of puberty and helps protect the body from cell damage caused by free radicals. It is now known, thanks to the meticulous research of Dr. Jennifer Luke from the University of Surrey in England, that the pineal gland is the primary target of fluoride accumulation within the body. The soft tissue of the adult pineal gland contains more fluoride than any other soft tissue in the body, a level of fluoride capable of inhibiting enzymes, about 300 parts per million. The pineal gland also contains hard tissue, hydroxyapatite crystals, and this hard tissue accumulates up to 21,000 parts per million, which is more fluoride than any other hard tissue in the body, e.g. teeth and bone. After finding that the pineal gland is the major target for fluoride accumulation in humans, Dr. Luke conducted animal experiments to determine if the accumulated fluoride could impact the functioning of the gland, particularly the gland's regulation of melatonin. Luke summarized her human and animal findings as follows. In conclusion, the human pineal gland contains the highest concentration of fluoride in the body. Fluoride is associated with depressed pineal melatonin synthesis by prepubertal gerbils and an accelerated onset of sexual maturation in female gerbils. The result strengthens the hypothesis that the pineal has a role in the timing of the onset of puberty. Whether or not fluoride interferes with the pineal function in humans requires further investigation. In a more recent study titled Fluoride Deposition in the Aged Human Pineal Gland, the study concludes this way. In conclusion, this study presented evidence that the fluoride readily accumulates in the aged pineal. Fluoride may also accumulate in the child's pineal because significant amounts of calcification have been demonstrated in the pineals from young children. In fact, calcification of the developing enamel organs and the pineal gland occur concurrently. If fluoride does accumulate in the child's pineal, the pineal ocytes will be exposed to a relatively high local concentration of fluoride. Fluoride has been associated with many other health problems, including allergies, arthritis, bone disease, cancer, dental fluorosis, gastrointestinal issues, immune system problems, kidney problems, respiratory and reproductive problems, thyroid gland issues, and tooth decay. To learn more about it, go to fluoridealert.org or fluorideaction.com. There are a number of ways to reduce or even eliminate fluoride from your water supplies. The first would be activism. Write a letter to your congressman, or to your mayor, or to your governor, or to your local municipal water supplier, and tell them that you oppose water fluoridation. Unfortunately, there are only a few methods for filtering out fluoride from our water supplies. One is reverse osmosis filtration systems for our homes. Another is similar, installing a home distilling process for our home water supplies. The method that I prefer is the gravity-based Berkey-type water filters. Number one, because it's the cheapest option.
God is in you, and you're not keeping the light of God out of the darkness to watch this world. You have cut off the light. You're not conscious of the presence of God in you. You're afraid of that reality, because with that reality comes responsibility that you don't want. You don't want to be responsible for all the stuff that's taking place in the world, God. So it's much easier to put God off in a remote place, out of reach, and look up and worship Him.